Hi, guys. You look amazing. We're here. Finally. So, it's often said that love makes the world go round. However, without doubt, it's friendship. True friendship brings so many essentials of a happy life. It's the mortar that brings us harmony. It is the calm and the warmth that we sometimes need.
You're the sister I never had and always wanted. If we all know Nicole, we all know she's very honest. She is impatient. She can't keep a secret to save her life, as most of us know by my surprise 25th birthday party I brought my own cake to.
The one of the happiest days of my life was when Nicole was born in 1989, and of course, April 16th of 2021 is the next happiest day when we welcome Scott as a son-in-law in our new extended family.
I can't believe we.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No crying.
I'll always correct your math and grammar and only buy things when I have a coupon.
A couple of times, I watched boys walk through the front door to take Nicole out, and then Scott came in, and it was the first time I saw a real man walk through that front door.
Oh my God, are you gorgeous? I know. That's really beautiful. Oh my God.
Minute.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
This day brings light on the future for all good things to start up again. And what better way than to celebrate these two? True love is being cooped up in a 500 square foot apartment side by side, all day, every day. Nicole is the most caring, nicest person on the face of this earth, and you look absolutely beautiful tonight.
Under the laws of this state, you are husband and wife. Please share your first kiss as a married couple.
Scotty, I love you like a brother, and I know that in your future together, you will care for and love Nicole with all your heart. I've been by your sides and will always be there as you continue your journey together. In Scott, Nicole found her soulmate, and in Nicole, he found his. I love you both and wish you nothing but the absolute best. I love you.